Hello everyone, and again special thank you to Lilia in Jenison, Michigan. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. Lilia has made sure that I remain the hardest working optician in the industry by getting 4 pair of glasses for me, a total of 8. I got the first 4 out the other day. The next 4 will go out tomorrow. The last 4 pair to go out is the Ray-Ban 7066 color 2000. All of these glasses, well, then the next one, the Oakley Frogskin, the 9245 with her polarized gray, but also 2 pair of the Ray-Ban 2180V, which I'm going to concentrate on tonight because it's such a great looking frame. But all of them come with the Zeiss Individual SmartLife lenses, the digital freeform single vision lenses with Duravision Silver. You get all the documentation from Zeiss, the single vision individual SmartLife, prescription for the right eye, prescription for the left, pupillary distance for each one, the optical center height for every frame, the base curve, the laser engravings that come on that. You get all the documentation. These are the lens packets that the lenses came in. Again, this right lens for the Zeiss Single Vision SmartLife Individual, Duravision Silver AR, which stands for anti-reflective coating or treatment, prescription for the right eye, prescription for the left. Because she got so many, I had to write down which frame it was for. And I did the same thing for this pair of Ray-Bans, but she got the Ray-Ban 2180V, which is the V for visual, the clear pair. They make a sunglass version of this, but this is color 8081, the transparent pink. This is my personal favorite color from Ray-Ban. The 8082, the light blue with the tortoise temples. These look great. Again, she got them with the Zeiss individual lenses in Duravision Silver. It has a bluish hue to it. Really cool looking color. It looks great in both these colors, but I love this one. I actually tinted a crystal frame where it's completely clear. I tried to tint it till it was this color because I really like this combination. It's actually crystal front with tortoise temples, but I made a pair for my wife because it matched her eye color, and I thought that would be awesome. But Lilia, thank you so much for the 8 pairs of glasses. These 4 will be shipped out tomorrow. I'd love to have a selfie with either this pair or this pair on to have on the website. Nothing against these. And of course the Oakley Pitchman R Carbon, which you should have been getting today in the mail. But if you have any questions, anyone else out there, go to the contact me page of the website. You can call Jigsaw directly at 919-491-2411. You can text that number. You can leave questions or comment in the comment section below. But thank you so much for the 8 pairs of glasses, 4 pair with polarized sunglasses, 4 pair with the Zeiss Individual SmartLife lenses with Duravision Silver. And I apologize, these took a little bit longer because of the anti-glare coating than the polarized lenses, although this straggler came in today. But I'll have them all shipped tomorrow. I'll get you the tracking number. Keep me in mind for the selfie request. Click on the link above for anyone who wants to see all the different colors of the Ray-Ban 2180V. And these are slightly different tortoise temples on there, but I just love this frame. It has the keyhole bridge versus just, well, that one does too. Keyhole meaning that this is a saddle bridge. Don't let me get those confused. That one goes there, that one goes there. That's the keyhole as well. What am I doing? I ask that myself every hour of every day. This is more of a saddle bridge. You drape a saddle over a horse. And this has the old skeleton key that goes into the old vintage doors in some of the vintage homes all across this country. But that's it. Thanks again for watching. Remember to click on the link to go see all the different colors or sizes this frame comes in. And now, thanks to Lilia, I remain the hardest working optician in the industry, and now everyone else has got a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.